3 verse 5 to 8. That is the Lord is all your heart. Not on your understanding. In all their ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your heart straight. First Corinthians 10:13. No temptation has seized you, except what is common to man. And God is faithful. And God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when tempted, He will also provide you a way out to stand up over it. Psalm 53 verse 11. Verse 57 verse 11. He exalted over above the others, and let the glory over all. Psalm 30 verses 11. Turn my morning into wisdom. Remove all my sackcloth that my heart may sing to you and desire. O Lord, my God, I will give you thanks forever. Psalm 46 verse 10 to 11. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our portion. Ecclesiastes 5 verse 10. Whoever loves money never has money enough. Whoever loves wealth never satisfied with his income. These two is winning.
Nagkasya naman.